So what I've done here to fix my muck up, not really a muck up, it's easy fix. I've got a little plastic, small plastic packer there, which that floor there where my aluminium is slightly out of level. So when I'm tiling, I'll level it up. So yeah, that's level. What I want to do is run through with my tape and silicone right through, and then put that against, instead of coming there and stopping and fluffing around and having gaps. I want to waterproof it right through. Now where's my scraper? And this year it was the same as the ensuite. They had a puddle flange, but it was sticking up like easy. 12 mil. Well, your water can't drain away. The best way to do it is you bang it in like that, you have your floor above your puddle flange. I'll also put it in while I'm here. Kill! I like it a lot. Where's my gloves? Don't lose that. Crusoe. It's going to be one of those I can't find my end. So I'll just cut through. No biggie. There it is. Chuck that away. Cut a bit off. Look at that, neat, hey? I just want to get rid of the stuff on my scraper. Now that I've got it going right through, I'm now able to that's just as a packer. I'm now able to put that down like so. Whooshka. Neato. Ooh. You've seen me do 2 mistakes this morning. I've got a few things on my mind. I'm busy thinking. But I talked to you about doing it that way, and then I go and do that. Anyway, it's all good. I wonder if anyone picked me up on that and said, "He's doing it again, the fool." Any comments? It'll be great to hear from you. If you want to ask any question, just fire them at me and I'll return an answer. Oh yeah. Okay. Now my poo gun has fallen apart. Right, I'll be back in a sec. I've got to get something long so I can push it right through.